My name is Lonnie Heiner, and I'm with the Crazy Foxes Marketing Group. And today we're going to do a class on how to create a lead capture page with one of the NPN autoresponder systems. So log into your NPN to go to autoresponder systems. Then select the second one, NPN Multisponder Elite. We're not covering this other one today. And then log into your auto multisponder. And then go to campaigns and select add new campaign autoresponder from the drop down menus. And then fill out the form. You want your letters that you send out to come from your name, the email address you want them to come from, the name of this autoresponder, we're going to call it WordPress, the description, put what it's for, this is for you, publish description, then you write the description that you want them to get and read. The initial status will be active. You need to, the confirmation of the subscription must be there, it's automatic. Form control, you can click this if you wish. The next thing we need is if they are successful in subscribing, where do you want to direct them to? So this is where you direct them to the link that you have your zipped up folder containing all of your PLR files. Now we're going to go to the second part of this form. I couldn't get it all on one screen. The letter that they get for double opt-in, I always just use this default. I always, on the action, create loop. When it finishes all my email letters, I want to loop back to the first one, and I don't want it to do that until 7 days after the last email went out. Subscription notification, I click yes. Unsubscribe notification, I click yes. That's optional, it's up to you. Now, on that last slide, there was a Create Campaign button down there, which I pressed, which I couldn't get it on the slide. And once we have the campaign created, we need to create the capture page. So select Capture Page Creator in NPN. Create New Page, Standard. We're creating a standard page today. And then fill out the form. You have to give the capture page a name. This will be part of the URL, so it can't have any spaces in it. It can have a dash or an underscore. The keyword phrase that you want to be on that page, I use the defaults for the fonts and so forth. The header text that you want on your page, the other words that you want on that page, and this creator here requires 5 bullets. The text that you want above your form, whatever text you want. I use this for a call to action, just fill out the form, blah, blah. Form code we can't put in there yet because we don't have it, haven't created it yet. Text below the form, we will never sell your contact information. So then we're going to have to go back to our campaign autoresponder and get the form code. So we go to our WordPress multisponder campaign that we created. This arrow should have gone down to this form. Click the form that is in your campaign and then go there and select the fields that you want in the form. For the purpose of this class, I'm only asking for the first name. The email address will be put in there automatically. Then we go back to our capture page creator. And now we finish up that form, the form options. WordPress at multisponder.com, that's where it is. We're not going to include any of these there. Tracking tag to include, we're not including any tracking tags for this exercise. The form button text, you'll see when we get there, I have added some words to this. And we want this to be an email, we're not doing an RSS feed. Then we say create HTML, and we grab and copy all of the HTML code. Now that we got that on our clipboard, we'll go back and paste it into the lead capture page form where it asks for the form code, and then click Create Page. And when we do that, we will have View It Here, and we click that. It will give us the link to our lead capture page, and when we click that, we will have our lead capture page, Free WordPress PLR ebook, and there's the words we put above the 5 bullets. Here are the 5 bullets. This is my call to action. Here's the form code for the first name, email address. I've changed the words on the button to Get WordPress PLR ebook here, and then below the form, we will never sell your contact information. This is required by NPN. And then we will go take a look here. What you need to do now is test this form. Well, first of all, you would upload your folder, your zip folder, to your website, and then put your first name in here, your email address, click the button, and you should receive the following file. And if you do that, and should have received an opt-in email. So if you opted in on your email, then you would be directed here and get the zip folder. And then if you unzip that folder, you find you have all the files that your people will need to actually take control of that PLR file. And that's the end of this class. Thank you very much for coming.